Columbia Drywall Automatic Taper. This tool is designed to efficiently sew drywall gaps. It allows you to reduce the number of tools required for the task. The secret of efficiency lies in the genius design. It is filled not only with masking tape but also with potting. It turns out that the device simultaneously applies potting on the joint and then applies the tape on top of it. Also, the device featured a knife to neatly cut the tape at the end of the joint. The manufacturer is a Canadian company, Columbia Taping Tool, and the device will cost you $1,450. Speed Deck Pro. Speed Deck Pro, an Australian development, can help you lay wood deck 4 times faster than before. It is a massive holder that holds the board in place while attached and avoids wasting time creating markings. The manufacturer offers the device in 5 different ranges, ranging in length from 2.7 to 5.5 inches. The price is $40. Nemo Power Tools. Working underwater is no longer a problem. These tools by Nemo are designed specifically for extremely demanding work like underwater assembling and disassembling. The brand range includes several models of drills, wrenches, grinders, saws, and even perforators. All the tools run on battery and it takes about 2 hours of work for it to run down. The price varies depending on the model, but each tool costs more than $1,000.